Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 8.63. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a loss of 33.08%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.31% since being designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, further declines appear realistic, and any rebounds to the breaking point at $21.39 are seen as a second opportunity to exit. According to fan theory, $10.58 may represent the new bottom line for the next trend, although it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 15.03% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.54% to positive 42.22%. Looking at the long term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 32.79%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 70.53% to positive 81.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.67 and $34.93. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $19.24. The SOXL ETF price fell by 12.35% on the last day, Thursday, 6th of March 2025, from $21.95 to $19.24. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 10.57% from a day low at $19.01 to a day high of $21.02. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 39.31% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 41 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 157 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3 billion and $30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $19. Currently, the price is 72.55%, or $50.84, below the 52-week high, and 94.91%, or $359, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has recently experienced a significant downturn, dropping 62% from its 2024 peak to $26.30. This decline has raised concerns regarding the sustainability of the semiconductor sector, particularly as the artificial intelligence bubble appears to be deflating. Compounded by rising competition in the artificial intelligence graphics processing unit market, especially from custom chips developed by technology giants like Google and Amazon, SOXL is facing increased pressure. This competition is diminishing demand for established players like NVIDIA, leading to margin compression that negatively impacts SOXL's performance. The fund's inability to effectively track its benchmark index over the long term indicates further inefficiencies, which investors should weigh carefully. Despite the current turmoil, some analysts see a potential buying opportunity due to the volatility in semiconductor stocks, stimulated by market reactions to new artificial intelligence technologies like those developed by DeepSeek. However, It's critical to note that investing in SOXL remains high risk, particularly given its leveraged nature. Short-term traders might find opportunities, but long-term investors should be cautious, as ongoing struggles within the semiconductor sector could challenge recovery efforts and pricing stability in the months ahead. The juxtaposition of potential growth amidst volatility makes SOXL a focal point for aggressive investors, albeit with a strong emphasis on risk management. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. At present, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL ETF is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $21.88 and $27.39. A break above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20th, 2025, and since then, the ETF has declined by 39.31%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 54 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant decline in the coming days. The ETF tends to exhibit considerable daily movement, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.01 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 10.57% change. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 13.72%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $20.51. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF currently presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we believe its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Thus, we hold a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of March, we expect SOXL to open higher by 517 of a dollar, starting at $19.76. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.